Hello and welcome. I am Gopal Mishra, the founder of theconstructor.org. And let me ask you one question. If you had one idea that could change your life, would you take it or leave it? And I know, of course, you will take it. But what is that idea? Just watch this video and you will get to know about the idea. I request you to answer these questions to yourself and you will know about the idea I am talking, right? So the first question is, what is your name? Answer this to yourself only. Who is your best friend? What is the color of front door of your home? What is the color of refrigerator in your kitchen? Is your refrigerator single door or double door? What is the color of your car or bike or cycle? You know the answer of all these questions. But how did you know the answers to these questions? Let us start again. When I asked you what is your name, how did you know your name, XYZ or ABC? Did you see your picture in your mind when you asked yourself what is my name? When you asked who is your best friend, did you see the picture of your best friend in your mind before answering to that question? When I asked what is the color of front door of your home, did you actually see the front door, image of the front door on your mind before answering that? In the same way, when I asked you the color of refrigerator in your kitchen, did you actually see the refrigerator in your mind before answering this? And whether it is single door or double door, did you actually see the image? Did you actually see the image of your car, bike or bicycle when you answered the color of when you answered this question about the color of your car? Did you see the image? Yes or no? And I'm sure the answer is yes, because we think in pictures. We always think in pictures. We never think in text or words. Even if you want to remember any words from any paragraph of any book, and if you try to remember that word, you will actually see the picture of that book, then of that page, then of that paragraph in your mind, and then you will find that word. So we think in pictures, yes or no? And I'm sure your answer is yes. So do you know there is one law that is called as the law of perpetual transmutation? This is a universal law, right? This is the law of universe, which says that energy moves into physical forms. That is, the images you hold in your mind most often materializes in your results in your life. Okay, so whatever image you see in your mind, there is high probability that those images becomes the reality. Like if you have a goal and if you see the image of that goal over and over again, right? So there is a chance that your goal will be achieved, that will be realized, that will move into physical form from the image in your mind to it will move to physical form. But what happens that you now know that we think in pictures. You also know there is a law, the universal law, which says that whatever image we hold in our mind, it has the probability of becoming a reality. But look at now what we think about generally. 90% of the time we think of things we do not want in life. Okay. For example, we think of I do not want to remain poor. I do not want to fail. I do not want to fall ill. I do not want to be in debt. I do not want to be late for my office. I do not want to suffer. I do not want to become depressed. I do not want to live in this home. I do not want to, I do not want low salary jobs. These are the many thoughts actually we think about. There can be many other situations or many thoughts that we think about that we do not want. But what happens we are thinking like that? When I think, or when you think that I do not want to remain poor, what image do you see in your mind? You will see your image as a poor image of a poor person in your mind. Okay, and when you see when you tell that I do not want to fail, you will actually see your image as a failing person. When you say that I do not want to fall ill, what happens that you will see an image of yourself. Okay, and that image, in that image you are actually ill. You may be either in the hospital or on the bed. You will see the image like that. When you see that I do not want to be in debt, you are actually seeing the image of yourself in debt, with debt. Okay, so what happens that all these things, all these negative things that we think generally, we think that okay, I want this, these may be the positive things for you, that I do not want to remain poor. In other sense, you may be thinking that I am thinking positively that I do not want to remain poor. But what image it is making in your mind? Is it making an image of being a rich person or a poor person? And of course, it is a poor person. So when you see yourself as a poor person in your mind, when you see yourself as a failing person in your mind, when you see yourself as a person with debt in your mind, so what happens? Those images will actually, your mind will understand in pictures only. So what happens that those images, when you see it over and over again, right, many times, when you repeat that, these sentences or these things in your mind, so they may become reality. So when you say that I do not want to remain poor, then you will find that you are attracting more poor. You are getting more and more poor day by day, because your actions, your activity will be like that. When you say that I don't want to fail, you will find that again you have failed. When you say that I don't want to be in debt, then you will find that you are attracting more debt. When you say that I do not want to be late for my office, you are actually getting more late than previous records. Okay, you are getting late day by day. You are not improving upon that, because you are seeing the picture of the things that you do not want in life, and our mind understands in pictures only. Mind does not understand words. Okay, so you see the pictures of your being poor, being depressed. So all these things you attract. This is not limited. There can be many other situations, right? I hope you have understood this slide. But what happens that there can be many positive thoughts which are again negative. For example, I want to become debt free. If you say that, okay, I am not thinking like in negative sense, I am thinking like I want to become debt free. But in this case also, the word debt is what? When you think about that word, it forms a negative image in your mind, and you are actually attracting more debt. When you think about I want to become fearless. Okay, so when you say I am fearless, what happens? It has the word fear, and the image in your mind is getting formed like you are in fear. Okay, when you say that I want to become worry free, so the word here is negative. Worry is negative, and when you say worry, then you will see your image as a worried person. I want to live in tension-free life. I want to become diabetes-free. So when you say diabetes, your mind will see yourself as a diabetic person. So you will attract more of these things. And this one, I want to quit smoking. When you say smoking, what you see? You will see your image as smoking cigarette, right? So when you see the image of yourself as doing those things which you do not want to do, But the universe, the law of the universe, it says that whatever picture you hold in your mind, you that will actually become a reality. Okay. But since you are seeing all these negative things, you are attracting more and more these things. You might have seen people saying, I want to quit smoking, and then you have found that they have not stopped smoking even after 1 or 2 years. Because the way they are thinking, they are attracting more of those things. Okay. So like this, there can be many situations which you think is positive, but ultimately it is creating negative feelings and negative images in your mind, right? So not only this creates negative images, but it also creates negative feelings. The words which have been used here are negative, and when you use negative words, it will create negative image and it will give you negative feelings. However, you may think that it is a positive sentence. Okay. So why this is important? Because our mind can understand only in pictures, no matter what you want. But if you are thinking using negative words, it is creating negative image in your mind. This is why many people do not overcome their problems in life and they remain stuck. Example, people plan for debt-free life, but they remain in debts forever because mind attracts more and more debts. Mind sees the pictures of debts and body feels that body has that feeling of debts, right? So when you have feeling also and you are seeing the image of debts, so you will not stop attracting debts. You will get more into debts. So what is the next? What is the solution to that? Okay. Now when you know that there is a law of perpetual transmutation, right? Now you should think of what you want in life in positive words. Previously, you used to think about what you do not want. Okay, now you have to think about what you want. You never have to think about what you do not want. You just have to think about what you want. For example, I want to double my income. How does it feel? It feels good. And when you tell double my income, you will actually form the image of your income as doubled, right? When you say that I want to live a healthy life, when you say healthy, instead of I do not want to become ill, when you say healthy, what happens here? You will see your image as a healthy person. You will have good feeling. I want to become successful. These are positive things. You will form the image of a successful person in your mind. Then I want to live a happy life. You will see yourself as happy in your mind. I want to become rich. You will see your picture as a rich person in your mind. And when you use these positive words, when you say these positive words of what you want in life, those images are formed in your mind, right? And the law of the universe, that is the law of perpetual transmutation, ensures that those positive thoughts becomes from it changes its form and it becomes reality from your thoughts. Okay. So what is next? Now if you observe your life, you will definitely find many such occasions when you always thought about what you do not want in your life. But you still found that happening again and again, right? Am I right? Yes, of course. Now you know that you need to think about what you want in life in positive words. This small change in your thoughts will have a huge impact in your life. And this change has the capacity to change your entire life and lead you to the life you want. But this is not enough because many people think that they cannot succeed in life or they cannot live the life they want because they do not have the money, they do not have the right knowledge or skills, they do not have the resources, their conditions or circumstances are not favorable, they do not have the family support, and many more other reasons they have. And this is why many people think that they cannot succeed or they may not be successful. But I want to tell you that to become successful, you need just a goal on what you want to do, what you want to achieve. And then you just must be willing to achieve that goal. Okay, you just must be willing. Willing means what? You must tell yourself that, okay, whatever it may take, I am ready to do that to achieve my goal. You do not need money, knowledge or skills, family support, etc. unless you have decided to achieve your goal. Am I right? Yes, because unless you decide that you want to achieve your goal, unless you set your goal and you tell yourself that I want to achieve my goal, there is no need of money. There is no need of skills or knowledge or family support. But since you have decided, what happens that you need to make a decision first, right? And since when you make a decision, you will find everything you need for your goal to be achieved. Do you agree or not? You needed money only when you made a decision to buy your mobile, right? And not before that. When you saw the mobile, you did not need money to watch a mobile, to see a mobile, to try a mobile. You need money only when you say that, okay, I am going to buy this mobile. And this is the reason that you found the money. That is why you have that mobile right now with you. You needed money only when you made a decision to buy your bike or car. If you have a bike or car, you needed money to buy that only when you made the decision to buy and not before that. And you found the money, and that is why you have that bike or car. Am I right? You need to make a decision first, and you will find everything needed for you to become successful. But you must believe that you want to change your life and become successful. You must believe that you want to double your income. You must believe in your goals, like you want to become healthy. You must believe in your goals that, yes, I want to achieve my goal. And your belief will make everything happen for you to reach your goal. If you have belief in your goal, if you have belief in what you want, it will happen, everything will happen to achieve your goal. Okay? So you must always think on what you want in life in positive words. Have a goal to achieve, and you must be willing to make a decision to achieve your goals. No matter what it takes, I will achieve my goals. That should be your thinking. And achieving goals are very easy and simple. It's very easy. You just have to work in certain ways, the way successful people think and act. You do not have to worry about what I need to do, how I need to do. I have to work, if I want to double my income, I have to work twice, 16 hours per day, 20 hours per day. It is not like that. Example, in any department, let's say in a sales department, there may be many people doing the same, exactly same thing, selling the same thing. Okay, but only one or two people are successful there. Why that happens? It is not that doing the same thing or doing certain works makes you successful. If you want to be successful, you have to do your work in certain ways. Okay, the way the successful people think and they do. And that is called effortless success. This is a program that we offer to our VIP membership subscribers. Okay. And our VIP membership subscriber shows you how to become successful in easy step-by-step process. It covers how to set your right goals, how to start for your goal. Many people fail at the starting point only. They do not have the idea where to start, what to do next. Okay, I have the goal, but how to start for my goal? What activity I need to do? They get confused and they just leave that goal. But our VIP membership will teach you these things. on how to start, where to start, and how to achieve your goals. What to do to achieve your goals. How to have positive attitude. Then change your habits. And how to avoid procrastination. And how to manage your time and activity to achieve your goals. And how to manage your self-image. And I will also teach you in the VIP membership about the 7 laws of the universe. And these laws will actually help you to achieve any goal you want. But why it is effortless? Because when you know the secret to work in a certain way, the successful people do, it becomes very easy to achieve what you want. No more effort is required to aim high in life, to demand abundance and prosperity, than is required to accept misery and poverty. It is said by Napoleon Hill, and he is the person who has researched on 500 richest person in the world in his time. Okay. And when you buy the VIP membership, you, along with Effortless Success Program, you also get the exclusive professionally researched articles. These are professionally researched articles to give you insights on the latest trends and technologies in construction, as well as learnings from the case studies of the construction and failures of various structures around the world. This exclusive professionally researched articles will help you become more innovative in your work and apply these learnings in your projects, which will make you highly productive as well as innovative. You also get construction ebook downloads. These ebooks are designed to make it very easy for you to get targeted information on just one topic in civil engineering and construction. This will help you become innovative in your work and apply these learnings in your projects, which will make you highly productive as well as innovative. You also get interviews and podcasts. Interviews from industry leaders and podcasts will provide you the right information you need to become successful in construction. This will help you be ready with upcoming updates in construction so that you can learn them well in advance and also to understand the industry standards. You also get exclusive and 2-minute videos. Our effort to provide you target information with the help of exclusive videos and 2-minute videos will help you gain insights quickly and effectively, which will keep you updated with recent technologies and trends in construction. This will help you to gain momentum required for your success in construction. This will also help you to use these information in your works or projects. You also get bonuses, right? And these bonuses are ad-free reading experience. When you subscribe to our VIP membership, you get ad-free version of our website and mobile app so that you read clutter-free and it becomes easy to read all the articles. And you have the option to download all the articles in PDF format. There are more than 2,500 articles on our website, and you can download all these in PDF format. So whatever article you require, you can download in PDF format in a better clutter-free ways. Okay, and we have the option of audio articles. You also get the access to this. If you don't have time to read the article, you can listen to that articles. Okay, and we have the mobile app access for our VIP members only. So these are the bonuses that you get along with all those 5 main offers. Okay, so what you are getting is the effortless way of success, value $497 US. Then professionally written exclusive articles, its value is $297. Then construction ebook downloads, its value is $197. Then interview and podcasts, value $297. Then exclusive and 2 minutes videos, values around $197. And bonuses, ad-free reading is $97. Then article PDF downloads, $297. And audio articles, $97. And mobile app access, $97. All these values are actually based on the lifetime access. We are going to give you all these things for the lifetime, and the professionally written exclusive articles, construction ebooks, interviews, podcasts, then exclusive 2-minute videos. These things will be actually updated every month. We are adding the contents regularly, so there is no end to these benefits, right? So it is just a one-time payment, and you are getting all these benefits for the lifetime. So the total value of this offer is $2073 US dollars, right? And suppose if you paid $2073, okay, but it helped you to change your life and live the way you always wanted, happy and successful life, would it be worth it? Yes or no? I'm sure that if that VIP membership program is able to change your life and you are able to live the way you always wanted, a happy and successful life, it will be worth it, even with that $2073 value. And if it helps you to realize your true potential and makes you able to double or triple your income, would this offer be worth it? Yes, of course, right? And if this VIP membership helps you and your family members, especially children, to know the secrets of being successful, when you learn this, you teach this to your family members, they will also become successful. Would it be worth it? And I'm sure it is the worth, right? So the total value of this program, which consists of effortless way of success, professionally written exclusive articles, construction ebook downloads, interviews and podcasts, exclusive 2-minute videos, and bonuses, which includes ad-free reading, article PDF downloads, audio articles, and mobile app access. The total value, which is $2073 US dollar, you can actually get it now with our VIP membership for just $97 one-time payment. So all these things, with the value of which is more than $2,000, you are actually getting it only under $100. That is 97. It can be around only the 5% of the, you are making only the 5% of the payment, the value it offers, right? We are offering 95% discount here, 95% discount, right? So always remember, successful people are quick decision makers. They make the decision very quickly, and this is why they are successful. This decision is for you only, right? So the decision for you to get this program in VIP membership, the effortless way of success, this decision is for you and your family. The learnings you will get from VIP membership will help you succeed in any circumstance, not just once, but as many times as you want in your lifetime. So get started now and subscribe to our VIP membership at only $97 one-time payment. Okay, now you have two choices. The first option is do nothing and not subscribe to VIP membership and watch other civil engineers grow and become successful while you stay the same. And the second option is make this small investment today compared to the value you are getting in return and just give it a shot. My goal is to change lives of 1 million civil engineers around the world. My goal is to change the lives of 1 million civil engineers around the world by the end of 2021 by changing the way they think and work. Right? I am going to change the way they think and work, and this will change the lives of 1 million civil engineers. That is my goal. And make sure that you are not left out. Make sure that you also grow with other civil engineers who will be getting benefited from this membership. Till now, you had the education and knowledge on how to work under others. and let others decide your income. But this will change now. Once you go through the effortless way of success program, which will enable you to decide your own income and become your own boss, and you can decide your own future. You do not have to be dependent on any other person or any other company. You will decide what is your worth. You will know yourself better. You will know your capacity. So again, I'm repeating that these are the things you are getting with VIP membership. That is the effortless way of success. Then professionally written exclusive articles, then construction ebooks, then interviews and podcasts, and exclusive and 2-minute videos. Then bonuses includes ad-free reading, article PDF downloads, audio articles, mobile app access. All these, if you calculate the value, it is more than 2,000 US dollars, and you are paying less than 5%. That is more than 95% discount. You are paying only $97, and that is just one-time payment with lifetime access with all those features. So get started now with VIP membership for just $97 one-time payment. Thank you very much.